Hey everyone, I want to share you guys my mama space. This is Nancy Rosado's crafty area, and we wanted to share with you guys how she organizes and where she does her crafting at. So this is going to be an overview of her room, and then we'll get into a little bit more detail about all her stuff and where she keeps it at. And let's walk over here. She dabbles in miniature houses as well as scrapbooking and all kinds of other paper crafts, and show you some of her houses. And she puts like the wallpapers up and the little furnitures and the little floors. She's very creative. Okay, so this is her desk area here. That's her air purifier there. She has the Brother Scan and Cut machine, the Cricuts, the Pazzo, the Gemini. She's got them all. Okay. There's her computer area. That's where she does all her crafting. Okay. So let's start over here. Here she has some stamps. There we go. Back up some stamps and paints, markers. These are like the clear stamps that she has put on here, so she can kind of just roll them around. And in this cubby here, she has lots of paints and the wipes. She has some Christmas stuff in there. And here we have lace. This drawer here. Fabrics. And this container here is basically fabrics and laces, and she has her buttons. She likes the dolls. And here she has her, what are these called? Anyway, they're from IKEA. I forgot the name of them. Here we go. We have, she likes to color a lot, so here are her pencils. Some more pencils. Markers, pencils, pastels. Over here we have some more markers. She does a lot of stamping and cards. Here's some sharpeners, things for her pencils. Over here we have tags, some chipboard embellishments, kind of a mixture of miscellaneous. Here she has some ephemera, some cards, staples, kind of like the stationery drawers. It's kind of empty there, but it's nice and organized and neat. Here is her adhesives, her tape rolls, and she has some more on this side here. Here she has a few miscellaneous charms and buttons, glues, some more tapes, hot glues. These are fabric paints. Here she has fabric markers. These little clear baubles here. Here we have brads, buttons, blings, just all organized in these little, so she even has her magnets there. They're all organized here. Here she has her markers. Her Martha Stewart punches. Her paintbrushes. Here she has some more stamps, and these are in little CD cases. Some more here. Okay, then in this drawer here we have ink pads. We have stamps, all types of stamps. There's some stamps, ink pads, different kinds of ink pads. More stamps here. And then on here she has, these are expedites here, and she has them filled with paper. These are wood pieces that she uses for her houses. Then we turn here, she has a secondary desk, and here she does a lot of her pieces for cutting the little furniture and whatnot for her doll houses. She's got her sewing machine there. See? And there she has all the little pieces that she needs for her her doll making, her tools, her woodworking tools. Let's go around here. She has, in here she has some her dies she keeps in there for her machines, her papers, and there's her woodworking desk, you can see. And then she has, in these containers here, she has paper collections with the pieces that kind of go with all of them. Here she has some larger 12 by 12 paper packs in here as well. See? And in here she has a lot of these containers as well. And they have, this one has, I don't know, these are specific kind of papers for drawing. And she has embellishments in there. So this is pretty much where she organizes all her embellishments. There. See here. Here's some more 12 by 12, and this is Christmas. So she has them organized by theme as well. Here's some gessos. A big stapler, glitter. Close that up. Most of her furniture from in here is from IKEA. Here is her excuse me, her Anna Griffin machine. So, and then there she has laces, her iPad, remote control for the grandkids. Okay. And then over here, in this drawer here, she has her beads. Some more beads. Some more beads. And more beads. And then here's her chair here. There's her art glitter glue. Here we have her embossing powders and her rulers, close at hand. Here's her glitters, her stickles, fabric paint, not fabric paints, different types of fabric glues. Here we have her Tim Holtz, her, what you call it, alcohol inks. She has her Nouveaus back here. Some more spray mist, some more gessos. Kind of like her mixed media section. Here's it here too. And then those are her guns, her iron, miscellaneous there. That's her junk drawer in there. You can kind of tell she has a lot of different things in there. And here she has more glitter. Here she has her clay, oh gosh, what are they called? The, molds. So she has different molds for clay. Here's her Cricut cartridges. Here are her jelly pens and some more clay pieces back there. And here we have some more Cricut cartridges. And here we have some Cricuts and vinyl. Here we have her flowers and her stickers. Pretties, basically. Some more pretties. And some more stickers and embellishments here. This paper she got today at Tuesday morning. That's the new Bo Bunny Secret Garden collection. Super pretty. And then we'll go back here. Here she has some of her books, the video games that go with the PlayStation. She has extra pieces of dollhouse materials in there. Chipboards. Here are her 8.5 by 11 papers. Cardstocks. There's a tiny Cricut there. Her spellbinders here. Some more magazines. A little tiny sewing machine. Camera, printer. Some more of her doll stuff here. And then basically it's just extra storage she has in the back part here. There's her stool that she works on, working with her doll houses. So, oh, I left one spot here. I forgot to do this middle part here. So, oh, here are all her punches. She has some punches and lace in this one. More punches. More punches. And here we have card making kits, envelopes, some extra pencils, and then that is her junk cabinet. And her other junk cabinet as well here. Basically just stuff not organized, but not so much junk. But as you can see, she loves birds. That's her little sign she got. That's her newest album that she just made. Alright. Let me show you one last overview and then we're done. So this is Mom's Crafty Space. Hope you liked watching. Comment if you have any questions. take care. Bye.